Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, February the 26th, 2022. 2022. We have here six extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars, the tectonic, binary, and the tectonic with 1 star. These puzzles I'm not interested, so only 6 extra Sudokus. 3 of them I will do today, and tomorrow we on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzle of this additional. So first I will solve the 3 stars Sudoku number 4184. No. 1. No, 2. Correction, it's a 2. Made a mistake. Alright, it's a 2. Okay, it's a 2. And this Sudoku has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? 26 printed digits. And for a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, if it's really a 3 stars Sudoku. Okay, 4182. 4182. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. 3 4s. 3 5s. 3 6s. No, 4 6s. All right. 2 7s. 1 8. And 4 9s. So the 6 and the 9s. Okay. All right. Let me see. Well, let me start with the 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, 9 there, 9 should be here. Okay. We have here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 9. How about, let me see. The 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6 in this row, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. All right. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with 6. Yeah, I'm scanning. No. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this row? In the last row. The 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 5 7, 4 5 7, 4 5 7. And look, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 in that box. Here 5 in the middle column. So no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 7 and 4. 7 and 4. Let me mark those. 7 and the 4. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these. 3 boxes here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. And 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, yeah. Oh! Apologies. Well, I bumped the camera. My tripod is not 100% working. Okay, 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay, 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. All right. Oh. Yeah. Okay. How about 6. Yeah. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then. I'm thinking 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4. Ooh, yeah. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. Now, 3. Now, 9, 3, 9, 1. Interesting. 9. Yeah. All right. 4. Well, these 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. One box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. Yeah. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? Here we have 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Okay. 4. No. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the... Nope. Not used. I need here also a 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. Yes. Alright. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 3 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. Here also 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. 7 and 3. And here in this big square, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a pair now. 3 and a 7. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. 7 and a 3. This box should be a 3 because in the first row, and that box should be a 7. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Faster than the 20 to 30 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? Well, no. I give this a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing for more than 4 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. I do not know. Here we have 915. 915. Here we have 763. 763 and 834. 834. Here, the 3 as a pair. Yeah, we have only 1 pair. The 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle and the tectonic. See you then. Bye bye for now.